Agentic AI is designed to pursue goals. It uses multiple steps to act and check results. For example, it can organize a better data in business meeting. And AI is not simply a replacement for people. It is humans working intelligently with AI.
What is the difference between generative AI
And an AI provides language understanding. Purpose of learning is to use knowledge responsibly. Machine learning allows computers to learn patterns from data. This is instead of being explicitly programmed. Better data improves the model. An AI workflow defines how information and tasks move from the initial request to the final result.
I like how the system updates when we change a step.
I have a challenge for you today. Design an AI agent for research. Show me how it creates a report. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for your amazing support.